Okay. My mom.
My mom.
Ano kasunod ng pwede mo sabihin, my mom is Roxy or whatever you want.
My mom is Macri.
My name.
My name. Oh, a big dog there.
Wait. My name is
Cayus.
Okay. My mom is
The look at the big dog.
Kay, tapusin mo muna. No.
My mom is Roxy. Mama, I'm gonna tell you something. Mama, look at the big dog.
Okay, kain na. Okay. Next. My family treats me.
Treats me.
How do we treat you? How do we treat you? Ayun na. How do we treat you?
Trip.
I like Papa when?
I like Papa when
When what?
I think it matters.
I think it does.
when oh, pretend it's a rat tail.
Wala. Wala. Wala din. Have to wait for it. Wala pa na internet. You like Papa when? When what? What is he doing that you like? When? Kai.
I'm hungry.
You like Papa when you're not hungry? Huh? Is that your answer?
No, I'm
What?
hungry.
I'm sad when? When are you sad? Ay, wag mong bigay kay Penny. Mamamatay si Penny. Kai! When are you sad, Kai?
When I'm sad.
Hindi, pag tuwing kailan ka nasa sad?
When Papa's galing.
My mama and me.
My mama's and me.
Sundan mo yung sentence. My mama and me.
My mama and me.
What? Are friends? Are we friends?
No.
No. My mama and me.
What?
When do you cry? Nagka-cry ka when? When what?
Don't have some.
Kainin mo yan, huwag mo ibigay kay Penny. Kai. I cry when? Tuwing kailan ka nagka-cry? Bakit ka nagka-cry?
Mama. 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 Watch lang ako.
Kiss mama. I'll kiss you. Paano nga tayo mag-watch, anak? Wala kang internet.
Iba.
Ganun din, hindi yan makakapag-search. Tama.